Whole grains like corn and rice are staple foods that are widely stored, but infestations of granary weevils can ruin foods in large quantities. A single weevil will lay up to 250 eggs, and both adult and larval weevils will devour grains, rendering them inedible. In this video, we'll show you how to identify granary weevils, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent future activity from breaking out and ruining your food. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Granary weevils are small pantry pests growing 3 to 5 millimeters long when fully developed. Their size will depend on the size of the grain they infest. Millet will produce smaller weevils, while corn will produce larger weevils. They are uniformly reddish-brown, and like all other weevils, they possess a long, narrow snout. Granary weevils have wings, but are incapable of flight, unlike other stored pantry pests like cigarette beetles or rice weevils. Granary weevils are commonly mistaken for rice weevils due to their similar appearances and preferred food sources. However, they are different pests that may require different approaches to treatment and must be identified properly. Other than the difference in their flight capability, rice weevils tend to be smaller than granary weevils, growing 2 to 3 millimeters in length. They also have different coloration, featuring 4 lighter spots on their wing covers. Finally, granary weevils prefer milder temperatures and can be found in the northern states, while rice weevils prefer warmer temperatures and are typically found in the southern states. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Because granary weevils prefer milder temperatures, they are typically found in the northern United States, no further south than North Carolina. If your home has become infested with pantry pests, you likely brought in a package from the store that was already infested. Granary weevils prefer to infest whole grains and grain products, as opposed to finer goods like flour. The smaller particles of fine or powdered grain products are unsuitable as food sources for granary weevils unless they have caked. When inspecting for granary weevils, look for signs of their activity and find the source of the infestation. The eggs and larvae are difficult to see with the naked eye, so focus on spotting adults. Larvae hatch from eggs laid inside grains and develop within. Once they've become adults, they create exit holes and emerge. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. The primary method of control for granary weevils in residential properties is the removal of the source and sanitation. The first step is to clean out your pantry. Start by throwing out boxed and bagged foodstuffs. That sounds extreme, but if you found at least one infested package, odds are there are weevils and larvae in your other packaged foods. Set aside everything else from the pantry, then vacuum all cracks and crevices in the pantry's shelving. Small pantry pests may be found in these tight spaces as they travel from product to product. Be sure to throw out the vacuum's contents outdoors when you're done. Wipe down the pantry shelves and other surfaces with warm water and a gentle soap to clean up any food residue. Do not use any strong detergents or bleach. Harsh cleaning products will repel pests away from any insecticides you want them to make contact with. Once the area is thoroughly cleaned and the infested food has been disposed of, granary weevils can be controlled with products like Pyrid. Pyrid is an insecticide aerosol that's used as a flushing agent, and it's great for treating tight cracks and crevices where granary weevils or other pantry pests may be hiding. This product is made with pyrethrins, a botanical insecticide, so it's safe to use in food storage areas when used according to label directions, though you should still keep your pantry clear and keep people and pets away from the area until the vapors have dispersed. To use Pyrid as a crack and crevice treatment, affix the red applicator and straw to the spout. Shake the can and spray along the lengths of any cracks and crevices in your pantry where any weevils could be hiding. When treating cracks and crevices, you just want to spray in quick bursts, usually about 1 second of spray per foot. Pyrid does not leave a residual, but it is an excellent contact spray with a powerful knockdown and quick kill. Next, create long-lasting control with Doxem NXT. This product not only acts as an insecticide, but also as an insect growth regulator or IGR. IGRs stunt the growth of larvae, preventing them from developing into reproductive adults. Without a fresh generation of adult weevils to reproduce, the infestation will cease when the remaining pests die over time. Apply as a crack and crevice treatment around cartons, containers, shelving, cabinets, and other storage areas where granary weevils are found or congregate. Do not apply to areas where food, utensils, or food processing surfaces can come into contact and become contaminated. Once your chemical applications have settled, set up Pro-Pest Pantry moth and beetle traps. These non-toxic traps contain pheromones that attract many stored product pests. Simply peel off the wax paper, then fold the trap into a tent. You can set the trap on a shelf or hang it to catch different crawling or flying insects. One trap will cover an area of up to 300 square feet. Any pantry pests in the area will be drawn to the trap and become stuck on the glue. Dispose of these traps when full or when 90 days have passed. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. When buying dry foods at the grocery store, examine the packaging. If you can see the product through transparent packaging, try to look for adult weevils or other signs of infestation. Granary weevils are capable of penetrating thin plastic or paper packaging, so look for any openings. If you see any holes, rips, or tears in the packaging or signs of feeding activity, pass that item up. It's best to keep food in tight-fitting or sealed containers. Put grains and grain products in containers that can be tightly air-sealed. Pet food and bird seed are often overlooked and highly conducive for pantry pests, so it's important to also store your pet food in sealed containers as well. By keeping food in airtight containers, you can stop infestations from spreading. If an infestation starts inside of a sealed container, that means the food was already infested with eggs before it went in, and you can throw it out without risking the rest of your pantry. Regular sanitation of food storage areas and the surrounding areas is key to preventing any infestation from spreading. Wipe down pantry shelves, vacuum or sweep the floors, and clean other surfaces to remove any food sources for pantry pests. Finally, keep up with regular pesticide applications to ensure protection throughout the year. Doxem NXT protects treated areas for up to 180 days or 6 months, so apply twice a year for preventive applications. Pro-Pest pantry moth and beetle traps should be checked regularly and replaced every 3 months. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop granary weevils from infesting your pantry, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.